How to turn on the French tricks on Duolingo. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. But before that, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Duolingo application on your device. Go to the very Google Play Store or App Store. On the top search bar, you need to search for Duolingo. After you search for the Duolingo, you can see that you are shown to update your application. Just tap on the very update application option. Now while it's been updating your Duolingo, just wait for a second. So what you can simply do is open your Duolingo app and you will see the very settings option on the top right side when you go through your profile. And when you go through the setting option, scroll a little bit down and you will see the very option of French trick. So you have a cursor right there. Make sure you enable and make the cursor go on the very blue side on the right side, and then you are done. That's how you can make the French trick on or enable on your Duolingo. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit a thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.